Respected sir, I am Unibrat MEB18001 from group number 10. We were assigned the task of explaining case study number 4. Now coming to the first slide of our presentation, this slide contains the overview of our case which highlights the important subtopics of our presentation, like how this issue of crisis faced by the soft drink company arises and who would benefit the most, the company or the Indian government. Whether the company is complying with the existing laws and acting ethically, the role of the consumer, and the steps of the company taken to improve the health standards. Coming to the next slide, this slide includes the various ethical concerns faced by the soft drink company. For example, the standards of the Indian food and health regulations are inferior compared to the European countries. This shows negligence on the part of our Indian government and shows their lack of dedication to the public service. Now coming to the second point, since the company now knows that the health standards are low in India, they can produce drink of lower quality, and in that way they can cut some costs and focus on the profit, which shows lack of social responsibility on part of the soft drink company.
Respected sir, I am Rituridas, MEB18031 from 7th SEM. We'll take over from here. In this slide, we'll talk about the additional research that had been done and other similar cases. These cases we discusses the crisis faced by Coke in Europe when people fell ill after consuming its product. The case also brings out the ethical dimension involved in Coke's exclusive school contract, which was done to promote soft drink sales among school children. The school children are majorly affected by the soft drinks during 1998 to 1999 in Europe. After the crisis, Coke investigated the problem by testing the suspect batches for chemicals. The company also claimed that tests showed nothing toxic in the beverages. However, the general manager of Coke Belgium, Philip Lenfant, explains the whole crisis. He also said that there had been separate errors at two plants. So, from now on, Harshavardhan Reddy will take over.
Hello sir, I am Harshavardhan from Mechanical Department and my roll number is MEB18044. As my friend explains about the theory part of the project, and now I am going to explain the alternatives and solutions of the assignment. Now options available with the government about the soft drink. Government can stop the supply of the inferior quality. It can do stop the low quality products or whatever low quality. If it is any chemical is not good mixed in that, you can stop the drink and raise the food safety standards. They can make high standards and they will set up and they will increase the quality of the product, not take any action as there is no proof of bad health effects of the drink. If they don't take any precautions or what any action on the drink, the drink available in the market, people will take it and they will get some diseases like that. Now I am going to explain the options available with the soft drink company. Soft drink company has an option to keep things the way they are, as they are not doing anything illegal. Soft drink company nowadays, all companies are doing well. They are keeping it very clean and providing the products as much as good in the market. They can stop the sale of the drink or increase the standard matching European standards. They can increase the high quality standards and they can give it good products into the market as they are good. Okay sir, thank you sir.
So now let's move on to the final part of the of this presentation, that is the conclusion. So firstly, the initiatives can be take part both by the company as well as the government, as we have seen from the from what we have
seen through the reports and the examples and the case studies, and as the product is of inferior quality, and so the government should revise their standards. And although there is no cases of ill health right now, but obviously it can have effects in the long run because of these low safety standards. And it may also turn out that, like, other companies or products may turn out to be for inferior quality as well in the future, as SKUs will be taken up by the other companies as well from the company which was allowed for supply. And secondly, on the soft drink companies part, we can see that they have also to amp up the quality of their drinks before they supply to India, and they have also to consider what ill effects they can bring, because in the future, if any fatality or any case of illness happens because of such of the company's soft drink, it will lead to damp on the company's credibility, and it will reduce their profits in the long run. Also, thirdly, the NGOs or civil societies can put pressure on the government to increase the standards, and they can also raise awareness regarding the issue to the public, as also that can help. So so after all these discussions and conclusions, these 3 points have been taken as the actions in the right path, so that this kind of issues can be dealt with, or how we can again bring an amendment to such issues. And finally, these are the references we have used, and the links we have used to do research on our case study. Thank you for giving us your time, and hope you enjoyed our presentation.